This is HOVERAir X1 Pro, and today I'll show how you can change the flight mode camera preferences on this device. So to start, launch the HOVERAir X1 mobile application, make sure that your drone is paired to it, and from here go into the Hover tab or Hover section. Now open Hover settings. Here select what mode you would like to change the camera preferences or camera settings for. Let's say I'll go with cycling mode, for instance. Here scroll to the very bottom of the preferences page and you'll find shooting settings as well as camera settings. Here you will typically able to enable or disable vertical shooting, then switch the shooting mode between different modes, including video and photo, and while in any of those modes you will be also able to further customize what exact mode will be used. Then you can of course modify resolution and frame rate, as well as video encoding format and color scheme that will be used for the recording. And well, as far as this little video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.